beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. We have another Temu haul. We're here with the letter I. Okay, so we're gonna get into it. Let's jump right in. It's another haul. If you haven't seen any of my hauls, there's a whole haul playlist. Temu is a company online. Most of the stuff comes from China. And it's very affordable. So this is my third time. Oh my God, I just remembered. So this is what we're here for. What is it?
K.
K. No. He goes. Right? Okay, so that's what we're here for. They have the alphabet lore on there, the Russian alphabet lore, right? Yeah. Oh, let's show them.
And let's show them.
And then that's I. Well, I mean, it could be the English alphabet, but anyway, there you go. You happy? That's it.
Mom, look. This when F comes.
Oh no, we're not getting any more letters.
No.
Let me finish my haul. Let me finish.
Mom, let me tell you something.
Let me finish.
No. Let me tell you something.
Oh, we're never gonna
when
finish.
Jay gets blasted, K comes and go like.
Okay, good job. Take your letters and go play with them.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
get it? Okay. Okay, let's see what else we have in the haul. What is this? Oh gosh. Oh, it's a laundry door sticker. I forgot that I got this. I want to give you guys prices. Someone was super excited, so no, don't take anything else. Oh. Someone was super excited. So the laundry sign was 79 cents. Let me just show you what it says.
You have a tag.
If you guys can see that. It just says laundry and it's got like a leaf underneath, but 79 cents. Like this is less than $1. So I don't want to really open it because then, you know, it'll get messed up. Okay.
What happened? Okay, we're here to I.
It's right there.
Oh, I
Okay.
can't see it.
Take I and K in your room. So the letter K was $4.49. All right, so this is another doggy diaper. I did get a larger size because Gigi's growing so big. Let's see, it's called Cute Bone, and it's like purple flowers. So this is the little pea spot and where the legs go. This should fit her perfectly. So it's got the Velcro, which makes it really nice. So this was how much did I say? It's reusable and washable, $3.59. That's great. Ooh, we got something heavy duty here. What the heck? I always forget what I ordered. Okay, so this is a solid black drawstring, large. It's a hoodie, like crop hoodie, $6.29. I like to wash all my stuff before I use it, but it says it's okay. So it's got a hoodie and it's a crop top type hoodie. It's a large, so I think it should be okay. I don't want to fall, but if it doesn't fit me, it'll fit my daughter. So, you know, as a matter of fact, she probably would want it. That was the most expensive item, $6.29. All right, what's this guy? Oh, another one of these, right? I think I just ordered white. So if you remember from last time, it's a plug-in air purifier, anon purifier. So I remember reading that you want to make sure that you put something behind it on the wall so that it doesn't mess up the wall. So I got that in white. I had pink and red, I think, last time. So that was $4.49. Also, very good price. Okay, more doggy stuff. So let me open it. There's lots of product labels. Warning, do not use near fire. It's not suitable, is suitable for children over 3. It says it's a pet toy, but this was $2.19. Again, I think probably better than any dollar store right now. And I got green. For those who have dogs, oh my gosh, let me open this. There we go. For those who have dogs, this is really nice. Look at that, flexible. She can chew on that. It's good for her teeth. It's got like all kinds of grooves and stuff. And you could probably even, it looks like, put like peanut butter or your favorite dog paste that you make. So you could make like a blueberry paste, strawberry, depends on your dog dietary needs. You could probably put that in there or on it so that they can be distracted for a while. So she's gonna love that. All right, this is a double-sided fur buster. So she has a lot of hair that sheds. So I was trying to find something that would combat that. So this was $6.29. So it's got double head, safe, gentle, precise dematting for pets with sensitive skin, eliminates shedding. So we're gonna try to use that. It's got like a comb tooth there for her. Okay, that's good. And then this is, I think, yeah, dog whistle and clicker, 89 cents. So like if she were to ever escape, oh, hopefully this works. I'm actually going to try this out. So there's a clicker button here and it's got a keychain. So we'll try this and see if it bothers the crap out of her for her to come back. All right. Oh, batteries included. So this is a black flashlight, $3.59. So it's supposed to pick up like any dirt or, you know, stains, which I thought would be nice and handy, like if she pees and we don't know about it. Blame everything on Gigi, right? Okay, these are huge. Get these flippers. These were $4.99, and it says 8.5, 9. But they are slippers. I don't know what I was thinking. 8.5. They're size 7. But just in case, you know, they're cute. Walk around, I guess. So let me put them back. Already got a pair of pink ones from a different store. So the last thing in here, what is this? I think I know. Pet Paw Cream, $2.19. Okay, so I've been seeing a lot about Frenchies, and they're very sensitive. So there's like stuff that you can put, like cream for their paws. That's a natural, 100% natural dog paw balm. Okay, I don't know why they have a cat there if it says dog. So it's sealed, but this is supposed to be, you know, just for their pads on their paws. So shelf life is 3 years. That's awesome. So I'm interested to try out this little clicker because I don't hear it clicking. Oh, there we go. I had to press really hard so I can train her. I was actually thinking, because I bought a bell, you know, like a ding bell, so if she had to pee, because she doesn't really talk or bark. So I'm trying to figure out, but a whistle will definitely get her attention. I know she responds to one of the bells that she thinks is for treats. Well, it is for treats, but, you know, I take it outside. Anyway, let me know what you thought about this Temu haul. And again, free shipping. It's pretty good. I mean, I haven't tested out like the quality, but so far everything that I've gotten is worth getting. I haven't spent anything that I would be like, oh my God, I spent $100 on that. No. All right. So if you loved this video, make sure you hit the subscribe and comment down below, like and share if you can. That's cool too. Let people know about Temu. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.